We all have some knowledge of static electricity, those annoying, unexpected shocks we experience when we're getting out of a car, or when we touch a door handle after walking across a carpet. For most of us, static electricity is just a nuisance, but during some workplace activities, static electricity is a critical safety issue that must be addressed. Static electricity is the electrical charge that forms when there is an excess of positive or negative charges on an object's surface. All objects are made up of atoms. The center of the atom, the nucleus, is made up of tiny particles known as protons and neutrons. Smaller particles known as electrons orbit the nucleus. Protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, and neutrons are neutral. That is, they have no electrical charge. Normally, an atom has an equal number of protons and electrons. In this balanced state, the atom is neutral and has no electrical charge. When two objects come in contact, electrons can move from one object to the other, causing their atoms to become electrically imbalanced and therefore electrically charged. This electrical charge is what is known as static electricity. Statically charged objects always try to restore their electrical balance so they can become neutral again. If static charges aren't discharged, they can build up on an object until they have enough energy to jump, in the form of a spark, to a grounded or less highly charged object nearby. This restores the electrical balance of the atoms, and the object becomes neutral again. The spark that can often result from the buildup of static electricity can be a serious threat to safety. Static electricity can be generated whenever objects, substances, or people move. So it's not surprising that static electricity is a common byproduct of many workplace activities and processes, including the use of conveyor belts, rollers, and pulleys, the movement of substances through pipes and chutes, processes involving spraying, coating, blending, or mixing, the wearing of synthetic or wool clothing, and walking on non-conductive flooring surfaces, most commonly nylon carpets. The movement of liquids is another common source of static electricity in the workplace. Whether they're flowing through pipes,